Hello folks, it's the Pace Chaser again. Welcome to Manchester Piccadilly railway station on Tuesday the 5th of August 2025. Stockport station is closed at the moment for 3 weeks because they're replacing a bridge over the railway, so we've got some rail replacement buses, and in the front of the queue is a rare bird Diamond Northwest 40844 YJ70 EWD, a very rare diesel powered Optare Metro Decker. So behind it, Tyrers of Adlington LX11 CVO Volvo B90L. There's the back of the Metro Decker. There is Trident going up there, MA06Y&E in main livery. There's the back of the B90L. It's actually Tyrers of Farnworth. I've just read the legal letter in, they're based at Farnworth now. They used to be at Adlington. MMC YX74ONU Coastal Coaches of Wharton, and there that one goes, very very nice indeed. It's one of the ordinary local service buses, Metroline Manchester WDS 274, just going back to Hyde Road Garage, and there that one goes. Heading for Hurdle Grove, Stagecoach 11903. Another Stagecoach now 11926. Volvo 13177 behind it. B5LH Hybrid. Metroline VMD 445 Volvo BZL. And Stagecoach 11910. So Blackpool Transport next, SN17 MFK fleet number 412. Tyrers B9 BN61 MXC behind it. Metroline VMD 452. So here comes the Trident Alexander ALX 400 MA06Y&E. Although it's in main livery, it's actually Orion Coaches of Manchester according to the legal lettering. And there it goes, very nice. Metroline WDS 232 going past behind it. Metroline ADE 556 now in Varro 400 EV. ADE 544 for Metroline. Just a bit different, here's a tram replacement, Metrolink tram W804 CPZ for Transpora Northwest. Metroline VW588 MX58 DVU. Couple loading at the stops, you've got Stagecoach 10860, Metroline VMD 393, Metroline VMD 404 WDS 241 passing. Metroline TEH 134. Another Metroline WDS 231. F10 DHR Catania Levante. So up first on the tram replacement is Tyrers BJ11 DTZ. Blackpool Transport 436 SN67 WZA behind it. And that's on a rail replacement. Transpora Northwest YR59 FYW Scania Omnicity. Number Tyrers LX11CWJ. So, a bit important Street for the last few views. WDS 310 is noisily going towards Piccadilly across the road. TEH 151. Also Metroline just coming past. So we're going to finish this one outside Oxford Road Station with a couple of Metroline WDS's, WDS 354 and WDS 357. So as always, thank you for watching. Take care, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.